Good evening. First, sorry for my voice. Too much excitement. First came home, and I'm very happy. Thanks to the coach, because 2 weeks we have been working hard for this game, and thanks to the supporter for coming. Without you guys, we cannot do nothing. And this game was a very important game because we were needing the game to bounce back. And thanks to everyone, we are very excited for this game. But this is just the beginning. We're looking forward to the next game. We try to give our best. We try to follow the coach because he knows what he's doing. He don't sleep. He work hard. He come, look the game, try to push. And we are very, very happy for this win. Thanks to everyone.